Hi, welcome back to Educator.com. Today's lesson will be on minor scales. So our lesson objectives will be defining the natural minor scale, harmonic minor, and melodic minor. There are three forms of the minor scale. We have songs that sound happy and major. Remember the C major scale? Happy. Minor sounds darker, a little bit sad. So that's the first distinction you can make between major and minor, is using your ears and listening to the quality. This is a major chord. This is a minor chord. One of the notes in the minor chord that's affected, that we hear the most as being different from major, is the third. C, D, E. The third is lowered a half step. So let's first define our natural minor scale. And we're going to be comparing everything to C major. C major has only white keys, and the minor scale that also has only white keys is called A minor. So first we'll go to our keyboard and we will label some keys. It's always good to start off like this if you're not familiar with the keyboard, just to remind yourself of what you'll be looking at. And C major is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, as you remember. A minor, we start on A and we go to the next A. All white keys, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. The minor scale has a lowered third, a lowered sixth, and a lowered seventh. So let's write out, we'll use the A below treble clef. We're going to write out our minor scale. A, here's the A, the next one is B, the next note we have is C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay, so normally the A scale, the A major scale, as you remember, has 3 sharps. And what we're going to do is lower the third, the sixth, and the seventh scale degrees of that scale. So normally this note is sharp, this note is sharp, and this note is sharp. The key signature of A is 3 sharps, F, C, and G. So we're taking, this is the first note of the scale, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. We take the third, the sixth, and the seventh, and we lower them 1/2 step. So here's how the natural minor scale sounds. Let's pull up our keyboard so you can really visualize how we've lowered the third, sixth, and seventh scale degrees. So here's an A, B. Let's go back to A major for 1 second. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. There's our A major scale with the 3 sharps. Let's count the scale degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The natural minor scale lowers the third scale degree. So let's count again. 1, 2. Here's where the third one usually is. Let's make it a 1/2 step lower. Here we go. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. There's our first scale degree that's being lowered. 4, 5. Normally 6 is up here. Let's lower it a 1/2 step. 6. Normally 7 is up here. Let's lower it a 1/2 step. 7, 8. All white keys. Sounds a little sad, and it doesn't really pull your ear towards the last note like the major scale does. Let's go back to the major scale to listen to the difference. These 2 last notes, 6 and 7, really pull your ear towards the 8th scale degree. Listen again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You really want to hear the A again. When we play our minor scale, our natural minor form, it's not as strong as a pull up to the 8th scale degree. So There you go. There's the A natural minor. And what we're going to do is move on to another example of a different minor scale. And we're going to play with changing C major to C minor. So C major, we'll label our keys again. C, D, E, again, A, B, C. C major is C to C. And we're going to lower our natural minor, lower, do you remember? The third, sixth, and seventh scale degree or number, starting from the first note, counting from 1, a half step. So lower these numbers of the scale, 1/2 step. Let's pull up our keyboard and play the C major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one and these two are going to be lowered a half step to those. Let's listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's practice writing it out. We have taken this third note and made it go down a half step to the E flat. A goes to A flat. B changes to B flat. So let's practice writing the C natural minor scale. C, D, E flat, that's how we notate that. F, G, A flat, B flat. Notice the middle of my flats go through this space in this line, C. Perfect. Okay, so practice playing that on your keyboard at home and going back and forth between the C major scale and the natural minor scale. That's really, really good practice.